Here is the beginning of the basic setup for a respirometer experiment. A single boiling tube has been retained on a retort stand and clamp. Into the boiling tube is now introduced a few granules of soda lime, sometimes referred to as carbosorb. This will take any carbon dioxide out of the atmosphere in the sealed system which we're going to set up. You can now see inside the boiling tube a little platform. This is made of perforated zinc, and this is a place to put the organisms which we're going to look at the respiration rates of, stop them falling onto the soda lime in the bottom. In this experiment we're using about half a dozen germinating peas as our respiring organism. We now place into the boiling tube a capillary tube arrangement together with a syringe and three-way tap arrangement. You can see more of this on your worksheet. Now you can see the peas on the perforated zinc platform and the carbosorb or soda lime in the bottom of the boiling tube. We'll now home in on the capillary tubing, and you'll see that I've introduced into the end of it a bead of coloured paraffin. This bead will move in accordance with the respiration of the organisms. Basically, as they use up oxygen, this lowers the pressure inside the apparatus below that in the atmosphere, so atmospheric pressure pushes the bead along, and the time it takes the bead to move a set distance gives a measure of respiration rate, or the distance moved by the bead in a set time. One problem with the method you've just seen is that the boiling tube isn't in a water bath, so temperature changes might cause the bubble to move. In addition, pressure changes might also do so. You might think about how the setup that you can see in this photograph helps to solve these problems.